Hello, this is Clark Kendall with Kendall Capital Management. Today is Friday, October 26th, and we've had volatility in the market over the last 2 or 3 weeks. We've had the Dow Jones moving 3, 4, and 500 points a day. Percentage-wise, it's been, as much as 2 to 3%, which seems like a lot, but actually the academic research, the stock market volatility has actually decreased over the last 10, 15 years. A lot of that has to do with institutional trading. Program trading's created liquidity in the markets that's dampened the volatility. Compared to the Dow Jones back in the 1960s and 70s, percentage-wise, it was very common for the Dow back then to move 5-6% per day. What's causing the volatility, though, the relative volatility that we've had compared to the beginning of the year? Clearly, in my mind, it's because interest rates have moved up. We've had the 10-year Treasury move up from 2.2 to 3.2% today's market. And what does that do for the investment community? Well, whether you're investing in common stocks or bonds or alternative types of investments, the discounted cash flow and that you use to analyze these securities has changed dramatically when you raise the interest rates from 2 to 3.2%. That's only 1%, but as a percentage, moving from 2.2 to 3.2%, almost 50%. So thus we've had volatility in the market because everyone's now rediscounting the cash flows. On the opposite side of the coin, we've had a strong economy. GDP was announced today that it grew 3.5%. Corporate revenues and earnings are growing at a strong pace, and unemployment is at a historic low. Thus it makes the volatility in the market. So how does our middle-class millionaire deal with this market? Well, you look at it for the clients that need short-term cash flow, whether to pay for college, pay for nursing home bills, for retirement needs. You use the higher interest rates available in the marketplace as an opportunity to lock in some attractive fixed income returns. For other long-term investors, when the market turns down like this, you use this as a buying opportunity. As I always like to say, Kmart's having a special, a blue light special in aisle 4, and you can pick up some great securities at very reasonable valuations when you have a long-term perspective. But here again, it's been Clark Kendall with Kendall Capital, not investment management, but an investment nugget to help you on your journey.